Truly a tragic incident. Steelers quarterback Dwayne Haskins has died early this morning after getting hit by a dump truck behind me on 595. Now, Florida Highway Patrol confirms that he was the pedestrian that was walking on a limited access facility and attempting to cross westbound lanes when there was oncoming traffic. Now, as for why he was walking, they don't know at this time. He was a husband, son, teammate, and cherished friend by many. Haskins was pronounced dead on the scene, 24 years old, turning 25 in May. The Steelers tweeting out a statement from head coach Mike Tomlin. It reads in part, "I'm devastated and at a loss for words with the unfortunate passing of Dwayne Haskins. He quickly became part of our Steelers family upon his arrival in Pittsburgh and was one of our hardest working